function. A friend function is a function that is not a member of a class. So even if it has to access the private and protected member, with the help of friend function you can access it, declared using keyword. So here one very important thing is friend keyword. Before the function you have to use friend keyword. Why friend function? Normally private data is only accessible inside the class. So private data is not for like outside the class. So here if you want to access the private data you can use friend function. But if you want outside function to access private value for calculation, comparison or printing, you can make it is a friend. So let's understand this one with the help of this example. So here include IO stream, input output stream, then using namespace std. So here we are creating a class called box, and here we have a private variable here length. So this is a private, right? And this one is here public box int l. This is l, by the way, right? So this is the variable here. This is the parameter here, int l, integer length, and we are writing length is equal to l, right? So here, so now this is the most important step, most important statement here. Friend void show length, then box b. So here the function name is show length, here you can see, and it is void because it is not giving any output, just it is showing in giving the message. Here you can see we will be seeing, and so we have to put a keyword here, friend, before the function name show length. So here you can see here friend void show length box b. Now you can see here void show length box b, and what is the function, the purpose of this function? Just it is printing the length of the box b dot length. Okay, but how to do it? We have to use it. You have to use a keyword called friend. Next, so here the main, let's come to the main function here. Int main box b1. So box is a class, right? And b1 we are creating an object, and the parameter we are passing is 10. So show length b1. So now calling a friend function, we are calling the friend function. You can see here, this is the friend function show length, and so here you can see calling the friend function and the return 0, right? So in this way you can see that we can access the private variable also, the private variable also we can access through using this friend the keyword, right? So this is you don't have to use getter or setter here. Without using getter setter, just use a friend, and it's like your friend is there. So for friend it's not like they don't have to use the key. They have directly, they can access the all your accessories, right? So that kind of thing is there. So friend void show length box b here, and you can box b1. So here we are having a class name box, and b1 is an object, 10 is the parameter we are passing, and we can get it printed. So what explanation? Length is a private here, right? So normally it cannot be accessed from outside. You can use it to access it through getter setter, but without that, here we are using friend void show length, allows the function show length to access it, and function is defined outside but still sees the b dot length. So important point, what are the important point here? Friend function is not a class member but has access to private data. It is declared inside a class using keyword friend. It can take objects as an argument. It cannot be called using object like b dot show length because it is not a member. So this one you can see that main thing here is you have to, before the function name you have to use friend, and you can access the private data also. Okay, thank you.